requiring special assistance such as a wheelchair, you're advised to play last using the front door for proper ground endorsement. Para po sa ating mga
guys, second to the glance. Let's go. Let's go.
Umalis ka dyan. Umalis ka dyan. Look at the foreigners in here. They're just going to rent a motorcycle. This is 15 minutes away from El Nido itself. This is McDonald's is beside Manila Beach. And there you go. They're so pretty. And here we go. Bye!
Nandito eh.
Asan? Yash naman.
Ang makita ko nasa
Ganun din. Walk. Wasn't it?
Ay, hindi. Finish pa lang.
What? Scraps. Crap. Oh, you're running. Ay, ang ganda mo.
Dito yan. Ayun.
Look how sexy they are. And they're super sexy. Like everyone. Right now, this is the way to Las Cabanas. They say that mas maganda yung sunset dito. And yung haba niya. Medyo malabora pero medyo paikot. So if you're going to compare the crowd, it is much better here kasi nalilibot mo lahat. And hindi siya like super crowded. Maraming kano, pero yan, may ganyan biglang natutuwad sa harap nyo. Pero what I like about them, like keber sila, like super wala silang pakialam sa mga tao, which is dapat, hindi rin naman talaga lahat. And look at the sun, ang ganda oh. And like super daming kano. I consider kano as different foreigners kasi nandito ah. Pero like super relax sila. They stay here pag more than a week or two. Kasi mas nililibot daw nila yung lugar. Ayan. Yan si Manong John. Hi Manong John. Manong John, busy ka? Showbiz mo ah. Ay, tumingin ka lang, artista. Ang ganda. Ay, nagkalat yung mga puwet dito eh. Adalingon mo may makikita kang puwet. Ay, thank you. Ay, tingnan mo, nakakatawid sila dun sa kabila oh. Ayan yung mga resort dito. Ayan na, Las Cabanas. Ana? Ano yun? Ay, gusto mong pizza? Ay, no, pizza. Pizza burger. Ayan, ito yung pupunta natin. Super ganda. Hindi ganun kainit. May gano. Tsaka sabi ng mga lokal kasi naalagaan nila yung turismo dito. Ang ganda. Ayan na, hindi na ganun kainit. No? Nawala yung araw. Baka banda dun. Lumintayin. Doon. Dito, parang sakop yata ng Las Cabanas hanggang doon sa dulo. Oo. Ayun nga. Our meal for today, 1 Lasca burgers and gambas. Super nice. Las Cabanas. Ay, ang cute.
Pero feeling ko magkakaroon din ng front.
Sa kabila. Ang taas kasi oh. Pababa ng bundok.
Tulog ka muna. Balikan kita.
Nuko. Iwanan mo ko. Ang cute naman. Pwede kang mag night swimming egg. Ha? Dito ka. So this is Palawan during the night. Bakit ang dami nilang bangka? Hi, Son.
Good morning! Good morning! Everybody clap your hands now. About your personal belonging, important in your
Hi, so we are here at Seven Commandos, our first stop on our tour A. Here's the view. Saan? Pabila. Ganda niya. Can see in Seven Commandos. So tourists are waiting on Inat. Ano mo preposition daw ba tama? Anong gagawin mo? Anong hanap mo?